This video will show you how to create customer accounts. The quickest and easiest way to create customer accounts is to start from the day plan. Let's create an account for Gina Warner. Start by clicking the customer field. As you search the customer's name, any existing accounts will appear below. In this case, an account does not exist for Gina Warner, so we're going to create the account by entering her email address in that search field and then clicking the Create button. Now you can fill any additional info for the customer. Mandatory fields have a red dot. When you're finished, click the Close button. Note that this customer's account is not saved until you save the reservation.